Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. Thank you for stopping by. Excuse the line, but there's a window right there, and the mini blinds is doing this. So, yeah, we're gonna have that because it's in the middle of the afternoon. So this is a HSN haul for Anna Griffin, and I haven't even looked at it, so I'm excited to show you. There's a few items. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think. Yeah, 6 items. So let's see. I opened this so that I could get into it. So let's see. Everything was $5, ship everything, and it was on sale because if it's not on sale, I don't need it. And some of them were very special prices. So these are the edgeable dies. There's 4 dies here, and it will cut this out. Let's see if I can get out of the sun. That's kind of the best. And you can cut it um, so that it's one piece, or I'll show you the picture. It's hard to explain. Let's see, here's the 4, and see how you can cut them. You can cut it to it be cutting on the edge of the card but not totally cut out as a full piece, or like this one right here is cut out, and you can layer them. I'll make a card, how about that, and show you. But I'm glad that they also give us this little piece of paper to remind us. So I'll stick that in with my Anna Griffin has her own box of just her dies. Okay. The next thing I got was I splurged, and I'm going to have to see if I like this or not. I think I will, but these are for making a rosette. And there's 3 different ones, and then it comes with the flowers or the circle to go behind and on top of the rosette. So these are the rosettes, and you can always make a double and make a really big one. So hopefully I'm going to like the patterns on these. I don't have a picture to show you with that one, so okay, but I'll make a rosette too. I'm making a project right now that I want to make a rosette. So here's the next thing. This is a slide pull card making kit. What does she call it? Let's see. Slide card die kit, where you take the card and you slide it and it pops up as an easel, and then you slide it back down. So I'll be making this today, and after I make a couple and get the hang of it, I'll definitely make a video on this. So I think if I can show you how it pops up as an easel, and then it'll slide back down flat so that you can mail it. So here are the dies that go with it. This right here to me looks like a big tag to use for an album. These frames, we can reuse the tags. This, this is part of it. Here's the actual card part, and then this big tag is the mechanism to pull it out. I love the 2 vases that go with this, so it's going to be really fun. I'm happy about this. I can't wait to use it. I'm home alone, so I'm so happy that I'm going to craft for probably 7 hours tonight. I don't have anything else to do, and I am going to use my supplies. So I have 4 more things. Slider card making kit. This is what I just showed you, the die, but this is the actual kit to make the cards. And I wanted this. I always get so many extra pieces after I finish using it. So I went ahead and bought this too. But here are some of the ideas that I can do. So it's going to be fun. It comes with pop dots. It comes with all the embellishments. Oh my gosh. I mean, it doesn't, let me see. Does it say how many pieces? It makes 20 cards. She said on the video how many pieces, like 200 or something, but I don't see. Look at all these roses and all these. You know, I always have extra of these and I save them all. Look at that big die slider. Ooh, I can't get that word out today. With the sentiments, and I like this. I'm very happy. Here are these slider parts, and I'll definitely make a video, and the cards. So, and envelopes. So I'll definitely make a video on some of these. I'll probably make a few of these before I use the die. That way when I'm using the die, it'll click quick. So I don't want to shove these and wrinkle anything, so let me put them in nice. I love that the box has a Velcro piece and it stays all together. And I wish it said how many pieces. But this is HSN. You can go look at it. Okay. I missed this. And this is Anna Griffin Be Mine Easel Card Making Kit. It makes 20, and it's the easel. And I have easel card kits, but this is Valentine's-y Be Mine. And I love the box. Let's look inside. I haven't looked inside, but oh, so you get round easel and you get the square, and there's sentiments, and it's all about be mine and roses and lovey-dovey-ish. So, and it tells you how to even layer it. So I love her kits. Here's pop dots. I'm wanting to say maybe they're stickers already, and all you have to do is peel the back off. They already have the glue on it. But look at all the roses. Wow. And all the flowers. Here's all the sentiments. Happy Valentine's Day with hugs and kisses. If you're really going to give it to a daughter or a granddaughter or a niece, you could probably put hugs and kisses in it, not be Valentine's. It could still be birthday or wedding. Oh, look at the little angels. Can you see that? Oh, and there's hearts. So look at the hearts. I think I'm going to go ahead and make some of these just because I love this pattern so much. And then I will make them, show them to y'all, stick them in the box, and be ready for when I need them. Here is embellishments. May all of your wishes come true. So you never know. You could use this for birthdays or something else. This stuff, just this paper right here, this gold mirror foil paper is so expensive. So I will definitely be happy to use that. So here are the, let's just open it. Let's see. Here, oh, here are the frames. These are the ones that, wow. Look, these are the easel parts to it. Oh my gosh, it's just so pretty. Here are the easels. I don't know if you can see the colors. Oh, I like that script. I'm going to definitely make some and show them to y'all. Definitely. Here are the frames. The ornate cut. There's a lot to this, and the envelopes. There's a lot to this. So I know that I'm not showing you everything. I'm just giving you the highlights of this, but you get the gist of it, and I'll definitely share my projects as always. So yeah, let me show you two more things. I think if you're anything like me, you will like the next two too. I can't wait to open them. I haven't opened them yet. Oh, here is the ribbon. Now, did the ribbon go with this? Why am I thinking the ribbon went with this? I'm thinking the ribbon went with this, guys. And you can tell me if you saw it fall on the table. But I'm putting it back in the slider card. Tell me if you saw that the ribbon fell there and I didn't pick it up. Okay, two more things, and then I'm crafting for about 7 hours all by myself tonight. It's nice to be home alone sometimes. Okay, I'm sorry about the noise. This is Easter stickers. 60 stickers, 3 each, 20 designs. Oh my Lord. I'm going to open these and I'll never get them back in this bag. Oh, they're 3-dimensional and it says 60, but if you really look at it, with it being dimensional like this, it's nice. And they're a nice size. Using my new 1, 2, 3 inches by 1, 2, 3, 6, that's 3.5 inches. So that's pretty big. Oh, look at that. Can't wait to make some Easter cards. Oh my gosh. Is that not the cutest? Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. These are just so cute. Oh. Oh. I'm going to take this and I'm going to take the die that I just showed you. This one with this die that I just showed you, and I'm going to use this. And I'm going to mail stuff out to people. Oh, lilies. That's really nice. Oh, look at here. Look at that. I'll be quick. I only have this to show you and one more thing, so you can speed me up. Look at the little girl hiding in the flowers. This is a fairy. I see her wings. Somebody loves you. That's just so cute. Look at the little bunny rabbit. Babysitting the baby chicks in an egg. That's Grandpa. So I don't know if I'm going to go through all these or just quickly show you. How about if I just show you really fast and I don't say much? But they're gorgeous. Hip hop happy Easter. Oh my Lord. Look at the bunnies in the basket and the chicks in the basket. And then there's more little girls hiding in flowers. And this isn't all for Easter. This can be used for so much stuff. So I'm happy about that. Look at the little chicks. This is very Victorian, very vintage. I love it. I love it. Oh, the little girl hiding in the roses again. I'm trying to keep them together. Oh, look at this. It's a chariot Easter egg because they're racing and she's holding on to them, I think. Here's little chicks in an egg. We've seen this picture so many times, and now here I have it and it's 3D dimensional. You know, I'm thinking, if I took a hot glue gun and took the pop dots off, I would get 2 out of 1. And then I could raise one, like this one already would have the pop dot, and if it came off cleanly, I could get the double of my money. Some of them you could, some of them you can't. Like that one's only pop dotted halfway. Is that cheapy? Would you do that? Trying to get extra for your bang? I don't know. It takes away, but then you're like, darn, at least I have an extra one next time I need it. Yeah, that's how my mind thinks. So some of these you could do that, some of them you can't. I don't know. What do you think, guys? I'm never going to get these back in. So let me just try to put them very gently, not back in that bag. Let's put them very gently back in this box and show you my last thing. And then I'm going to craft. Had to make this video because I feel guilty not showing you guys the good sales and the stuff that you need to go and run and get if you can afford it, or put it in your basket for if you get birthday money or something like that and you get to go spend some money on yourself. My kids always say, what do you want for your birthday? Go to my basket on HSN and pick an item or two. That's what I should say. People say, oh, it's so hard to buy for you. Really? Because I've got baskets filled on HSN. So, okay, I think I'm going to fit them all in there without crushing them. I'm pretty happy with that. So let's put this aside and see my last item. put that bag away. This is, I don't even remember the name, so I might have bought this before, or this might have been a new one. I think this is a new one. I'm pretty sure. 120 mini favorite flowers. I need my glasses on. Oh my lord. Look at all the flowers. I don't even think I'm going to open this. This is just so many flowers. Look at that. Are they stickers? They don't say they're stickers though. So I have to use my own glue, my own tape, which is no problem. So guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I'm so giddy because I'm happy to be crafting all day today. So thanks for hanging out with me. The links are down below. Glue Gun Chronicles, my Pinterest, my blog on Facebook. You can have a blog on Facebook. It's older, and I don't know if you can make them anymore, but you used to be able to put blog and everything. So yeah, thanks for being here, and hit that bell because you never know when you're going to make a video, or when I'm going to make the video, because I made this one just so I can craft. Thanks guys. Bye.